Kia does not just want to sell you an electric sport utility vehicle with the EV5 Weekender. It wants to hand you an excuse to drop everything, throw some gear in the back, and disappear into the wild for a while. This concept, created entirely by the Kia Design China team, is built around a simple idea that feels very real for a lot of us. What if your car could genuinely help you escape your routine, not just drive you through it? The EV5 Weekender takes Kia's Opposites United design philosophy and turns it into something you can feel. On the outside, it looks tough and ready, but never aggressive. Extra ground clearance, extended wheel arches, protective body cladding, and serious all-terrain tires make it clear this thing is meant to leave the pavement without hesitation. Front and rear retractable tow hooks are there for the moments when the trail turns out to be a little more than you bargained for. Up top, a panoramic roof rack is ready for traction boards, camping gear, or whatever your weekend looks like. Along the side, a clever pegboard integrated into the window area lets you hang tools or accessories so they are always in reach. At the front, a distinctive light signature wraps around a reimagined tiger nose face, while a functional hoodboard hides a built-in action camera to capture your drives from the driver's point of view. The rear keeps that same confident energy with a geometric bumper and gunmetal accents that make the whole vehicle look planted and capable. Inside, the EV5 Weekender feels more like a flexible base camp than a conventional cabin. A slidable display and clean flat-style human-machine interface create a simple, calm digital space instead of an overload of screens. The center console becomes a kind of adventure hub, with a rotatable armrest that hides a cradle for a walkie-talkie when you go off the grid, plus an anti-insect camping lamp that brings light, scent, and gentle sound when you settle in for the night.